Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'll be going through a step-by-step stages of how to draw a realistic eye from sketch to tonal outcome. Start off with a H pencil to sketch a horizontal and vertical line. This will help you with positioning of the iris and the centre of the eye. Generally, the shape of the eye is a bit like a lemon. When sketching the iris, the top disappears behind the eyelid and the pupil sits on the cross of the two lines. The highlight of the eye in the drawing is fairly large and sits on the top left, however there is another highlight on the right of the eye which is smaller. I now begin to add in the tear duct lines, the creases beneath the lower eyelid and above the upper eyelid. For the darkest shades, I'm using a black Faber-Castell pencil. The small piece of paper is used to protect my shading from smudging. The iris is super detailed. This is where I tend to spend most time. Using my H pencil, I create a series of lines from the pupil to the edge of the iris. With a black pencil, I make a heartbeat effect around the edge. To produce the tiny detail within the iris, imagine drawing the inside of an orange. Each segment is small and has wavy lines close together. Once you're satisfied with the lines, pick up a darker pencil to add tone. Inside the highlights, there is a reflection of the eyelashes. The main highlight has a tree shape reflected within it. Take your time to add all the details. Outline the upper lid to add in the darkest tones before switching to a lighter pencil for the whites of the eye. Using a blending stick or cotton bud, lightly rub over the graphite to smooth the shades. For the tiny veins, use a H pencil and gently twist as you draw the lines. This makes them look more realistic. When adding the lower lashes, make sure that they're below the eye, not on the eye. Lashes are darker and thicker closer to the eye, and they don't always go the same direction. Follow the curve of the eye, extend and thicken the lashes before moving on. Using a white paint pen, I have added some bright highlights using dots and dashes to reflect the texture of the skin. If you've enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful, like and subscribe for more drawing and shading techniques. Thanks for watching.